Story of my life. Story of my life. La 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 la. Story of my life.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shannon. Thank you so much for stopping by today. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighter from the Riviera collection. This is in the shade Snowflake. Let me see here. Snowflake. I don't know why Snowflake is the name when it's the Riviera palette. It should be something more like summery, like, I don't know. I don't know what a good name would be. But anyways, I am so sorry this video took so long. Saturday, my husband went to the Hollywood Undead concert, and since I don't really listen to their music, I mean, they're okay, but it's not like my favorite band. And he literally bought the last ticket before they sold out. So if I would have went with him, I would have had to buy a ticket from like a third party, or, you know, a ticket from someone who had already bought a ticket and decided not to go. So Saturday he went to Hollywood Undead, and then Sunday he went to the WWE Fastlane pay-per-view event, which is the wrestling event, and he actually had seats right behind the announcer's table. It was so cool. So it was mommy and kid weekend, and Sunday night yesterday I tried to film 3 times. My daughter, I did it once she went to bed. She literally got out of bed 3 times, climbed up on my lap and said, I don't want to go to bed until Daddy gets home. So I'm sorry this took so long, but I have been so excited to use this palette. So this palette retails for $45. Here is the packaging. I think it is adorable, and I am so in love with this palette. It's amazing. I did swatch it, and I put swatches up on my Instagram. This is what it looks like when you take the box off. And if you hear my daughter in the back, my husband has her in the other room. These are, I know it comes with the brush like all her other palettes do. These are the shades. I picked mine up at Sephora. I believe it's available on the ABH website, and it's available on Sephora and Ulta. The highlighter was $25. It has the loose sifter. I did put up a live swatch of this, and you know, it looks like there's not that much product in this, but then again, like, there is. I don't know, it's weird. I think it's a good price though. $25 isn't too bad for how much you get. You get 6 grams. So I literally just walked in the door from work, and I put my face makeup on right before lunch today. So my face makeup is on, and I don't have any eyes or anything else on. And let's do some quick swatches, and then we will get into a look. I'm going to do like I really want to do like a light to dark ombre eyeshadow look, and then this upcoming weekend I am going to do a 2 looks 1 palette or a 3 looks 1 palette, but with that video I am going to incorporate the chunky glitters that I got from Black Mage Beauty. Where did they go? Because these are adorable, and I have a really awesome idea for 2 of the looks. Oh yeah, these colors. This one would go really good with this palette. So that's what I'm going to do this weekend. Let's do some swatches. I don't have anything on my arm. Sorry, you guys might have seen my blue basketball shorts. I had to take my work pants off. They were making me mad. Alright, so we're going to start with, I'm sorry if I'm talking fast. Am I talking too fast? I haven't filmed in like a week, so I'm a little out of practice, but I'm so excited to play with this bad boy. It is amazing. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, I have not been excited for new releases, and I think I just needed a break from all of the hype and the hurry up and buy it, and you got to spend your money on this, you got to spend your money on that. So it was really nice to take a break. I caught up on a lot of bills and kind of spent a lot of time with my family, and I think this bad boy might be the palette that gets me back into being excited about makeup. I don't know, let's hope, because I do see a couple upcoming palettes I want to grab. We will talk about that in the next video. So we're going to do Sales. And this is a white matte, so I don't know. I mean, it does swatch really good. And then we're going to do Yacht, Seashells, I love these colors, you guys. Palmero, Seaside, Inheritance, and then we have Mediterranean, and then we get into the mattes down here. The top row is metallic and shimmer shades except for the white. The bottom row is mattes. So Mediterranean, Estate, and Cabana. Cabana is gorgeous. Mediterranean, Estate, and Cabana. Look how pretty that is, you guys. Coastline, Bahamas, and Monte Carlo. So we have Coastline, Bahamas, and Monte Carlo. I love Bahamas. It's one of my favorite shades. I got it in Mediterranean a little bit. There we go. And then we have Canes and Palm. So excited for this shade as well. The Canes one, not Palm. I mean, Palm is cool, but it's a brown matte. I mean, how many brown mattes can you have? These are the swatches of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. Alright, so let's play with some makeup. I will do a quick swatch of the highlighter. Let me use my pinky since the other fingers have eyeshadow. That is so gorgeous, you guys. Holy moly. Alright, so if you would like to see me use this palette in a quick eyeshadow tutorial, then keep on watching. Let's get right into it, guys.
I hear the drums echoing tonight, but she hears only whispers of some quiet conversation. She's coming in 12:30 flight. The moonlit wings reflect the stars that guide me towards salvation. I stopped an old man along the way, hoping to find some old forgotten words or ancient melodies. He turned to me as if to say, "Hurry boy, it's waiting there for you." It's gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. There's nothing that 100 men or more could ever do. I bless the rains down in Africa. Gonna take some time to do the things we never had. Ooh. The wild dogs cry out in the night as they grow restless, longing for some solitary company. I know that I must do what's right, sure as Kilimanjaro rises like Olympus above the Serengeti. I seek to cure what's deep inside, frightened of this thing that I've become. It's gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. There's nothing that 100 men or more could ever do. I bless the rains down in Africa. Gonna take some time to do the things we never had. I hear the drums echoing tonight, but she hears only whispers of some quiet conversation. She's coming in 12:30 flight. The moonlit wings reflect the stars that guide me towards salvation. I stopped an old man along the way, hoping to find some old forgotten words or ancient melodies. He turned to me as if to say, "Hurry boy, it's waiting there for you." It's gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. There's nothing that 100 men or more could ever do. I bless the rains down in Africa. Gonna take some time to do the things we never had. Ooh. The wild dogs cry.
Alright guys, so I am back with the finished look, and oh my god, I love it! I've been watching a lot of America's Got Talent because we've binge watched all of our shows, and Mel B always goes, "What just happened?" And that's how I feel with this finished result. Now, I am the type of person, I give credit where credit is due. I have been stalking looks where people used this palette. I've watched so many Instagram videos, but I have not watched a single YouTube video on it. So, I got the idea for this look by Makeup by Serena Cleary. So, Serena Cleary did a look. Oh, I did not even know she had a video on this, or I probably would have done the steps the same way she did, but I think I used reverse engineering and came up with a pretty good result myself. The only thing that's really bothering me is this gold in the middle is not really, I used so much MAC spray. Whatever. So let me show you guys the look that she did. I know it's not going to be the easiest for you to see because it's on my phone, but I loved how it was subtle with a pop of color. So her name is Serena Cleary. I will try... Oh, she has a YouTube channel. Okay, I didn't know this. See, I went to the search bar and under tags I put in ABH Rivera. So she has a YouTube channel. I'm going to snapshot this so I can post the link in my description box down below. Now, this whole look, I did change a little bit about it. She did black eyeliner without a wing, and she also put falsies on. Now, I changed one of the colors. I used Coastline for my transition shade, and then I put Monte Carlo over it. I don't believe she used the shade Monte Carlo. I will zoom in so you guys can get a close-up. I also put purple. I put the Purple Pros by ColourPop on the top and Blue Ya Mind on the bottom. I also used my Dulce, whatever they're called, the blue eyeliner that I got from Ipsy. I put this in my waterline, and then I used a mix of Pink, Snow, and Be Mine, which are the chunky glitters I got from Black Mage Beauty, to do some inner corner highlight. I totally have an awesome idea for this weekend's video. Oh, and I also used the highlighter Snowflake. I'm wearing my Menagerie Cosmetics lippy that I have no idea where it went now. That's awesome, Shane. I hate when oh, it's right here. This is Aurelia by Menagerie. So my idea this weekend is I want to do a look that involves a cut crease I also want to do a neutral look that has no pops of color. And then I want to do a look that has a cut crease with chunky glitter. So that's why I really want to do a 3 looks 1 palette. Might turn out to be a 2 looks 1 palette depending on how much time I have. But the point that I'm getting at is there are endless possibilities with this color story. And I am just thrilled to see Anastasia putting out a palette that has so much, what's that? I just like had the word in my mouth. So much potential to let people jump outside the box, but at the same time, you can do so many neutral looks with this. Everyday subtle office looks, pops of color. I've seen so many great looks with this, and I love this. Go pick it up if you haven't done so already. I might, and this is a big might if I can afford it, because I'm kind of on an unofficial low buy, because next month my husband and I are going to Virginia Beach for the There's Something in the Water music festival. It's at the end of April, and it's going to be kind of costly. So what I'm going to try to do over the next 3 weeks is do some videos with the palettes I already have. I'll probably pick up like 1 or 2 more new releases between now and then, but I wish I could, and I might still. Maybe the next giveaway, I don't see this selling out anytime soon. My next giveaway next month might be a winner getting the Riviera palette. We'll see, because I did want to do a Black Mage giveaway. Yeah, so, and no more rambling. Let's give you guys a close-up of the look. I love the brown in the outer corner, and I love the white in the inner corner. And you guys see this glitter? Look at how freaking gorgeous that looks. This highlighter is life. So, that's it. My husband and I are actually about to go to the gym. You guys, I did it. I finally took the leap of faith, and I've got myself a gym pass. I'm no longer his +1. So now I can go anytime that he's busy. And my mom offered to babysit while we go to the gym. So I'm going to go to the gym really quick. When I get back, I will finish the upload, whatever. This will be up tonight. We're only going for like an hour to the gym. So, yeah, I really had fun with this. I love it. I love this look. I can't wait to play with this some more. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you're new here and you haven't done so already, please, I would love it if you'd consider subscribing to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video this weekend. Thanks for stopping by, guys.